Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos. Hey everyone, so welcome back to Ramtoodevelopers Education. And so the issue was fixed that we were having the initial state of something random, and also the thing is that we were passing in the payload not which is coming from the order but another random stuff. Okay, so all I need to do is change it to order, which is our parameter here, and also remove this particular order, which is of no use. Okay, so we have the state and everything is working as we expect it to work. So let's look at the code, not the code, but the UI, and I have selected a theme, and this is the theme. Order for basic, I can put in whatever I want and submit. So if I go into orders, I am getting the state, size, and everything. So now the thing is that I just need to display it. So I'll simply need to create the like a list over here, so I can create it because I'm getting it from the context, right? So I can create it by context dot what we were doing. Let me see. I think we were just stringifying the context. So context dot, not the state, but yeah, I think it's the state dot length state dot map. I can simply use a map, and order return div, and here will be json dot stringify order. Okay, let's see what do we get here. Might get a key. Okay, so this thing is working. I guess we have two orders at this point, and one will be something and one will be something else. Okay, let's see. We should be having three orders now. 1 2 3 4. So there is some issue. It's having duplicate orders. So it's supposed to have just two orders, I guess. And if it's having 6 orders, that means there is an issue. Okay, so we are calling the set on submit, like I think it's twice. So if we go into function on submit, okay, if no order, return, or else get image and send it. And we can even have a, we don't need to have this, but yeah, order for, everything looks good at this point. It is looking okay. So why are we having, because right now I can see here there are 3 orders in the state, so why is it displaying 6 orders? Have we done something wrong in the orders page? Order json.stringify. Yes, because we are displaying it twice, so yeah, it was supposed to happen. Okay, that's my bad. And style color white, and I'll just have order dot order for. Okay, so let's see, it's order for, right? Yes, there it is. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly create another component which is just going to be single order.js, and in this single order I'm going to copy and paste something, because this is just a UI stuff. I don't want to waste time on the UI. I don't need this, so I'm gonna remove it, and it's gonna take an order and it's a card, so for that reason I'll have a single order card and I'll have to pass in order. So let me save it. I'll go into orders, single order. I can remove the curly brackets, and single order, here it is. Order is the prop we need to pass in, and order. Hopefully this should work. There should not be any issue, but let's see if there's something. Oh, there it is. So perfect. So this was the thing we had before. The issue is that if we refresh, it's gonna go away. The reason is that we are not saving it to any database, because the most ideal thing is to save it to a database. And if we are not saving it to a database, we might need to save it to some session or maybe some local storage. So yeah, you can do that. Okay, size medium, hello world, submit, going to be here, and that's pretty much it. This is just a warning. I need to have a key here equals to order. I can just have order dot I can, or maybe I can have index, and it can be taken from index. This is not a good way because when you delete it, there will be an issue. So you should not use index as a key. But at this point, I don't care too much about it. So this should work. And let's go ahead and add another theme to it. So let's go ahead and have a LinkedIn PNG. Okay, so if this t-shirt is for a person working in LinkedIn, so open a new tab. All you need is just a link. You don't need to have any other things. So right logo will be LinkedIn and left logo will have Nike PNG. So if you have PNG, you don't see the, or you can say the white background, which is not that nice. So see, this is not having a white background, so this is looking good. And if we have this thing, we have a nice little tick there, and you can have a black t-shirt, you can have a yellow one. I like this one, so I'll have it for, I forgot the name of the guy, LinkedIn CEO. So Jeff Weiner is for him. So where is it? It's right here. Okay. And there it is. So we can have a stripes color as well. We can have whatever we want here. Orange, white. I like orange on this one, so I'll order another one. Orange. And there is an issue. So the thing is here that if you have a logo, there will be some issue that it won't be able to, it is blocked by codes. But yeah, there is a workaround for that, and I'll tell you what exactly it is. But right now other things are working great. So yep, almost our project is completed. I'm gonna do some touch up in the next video, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.